Hey, good morning. My name is Swapnil Thakur. I head the sales for Repos Energy. Repos is taking the entire fueling industry on autopilot mode. So we have a lot of products, be it the Datum, that's the diesel ATM, which takes care of your fueling. So it's a smart automated product completely on tech based. So you get fuel at doorstep. So we have these fuel bowsers. Currently we have a supply chain of close to 2,500 fuel bowsers, which we call as Repos fuel stations. These are owned by the petrol pump owners, manufactured by us. The tech part is all by us. And then you have this smart storage product called as Datum, and the USPs of this product are like, without your approval there's no fuel coming out of this diesel ATM. It's your personal diesel pump which can be put on your site, and you get entire fuel analytics of the fueling you do. So basically this takes your entire fueling on autopilot mode. So we are more into the customers are of the bulk fuel which require can avail these products. So we have introduced this new product. This is the India's first portable fuel station, which is 30 KL, 60 KL capacity. These are all PESO-approved products, and this is the above the ground 30 KL, 60 KL. This is the first time India has got a PESO approval above the ground. Normally you see below the ground underground pumps, but these are the portable fuel stations. Very big customers ranging from IRBs to Praj to Atlas Copco, Shapoorji Pallonji on our platform. So we basically are Zomatos and the Swiggies of the fueling industry. So you can see these products, you can avail these products. We are spread across the country right now, and we have a partnership with Cummins. We have exclusive diesel ATMs for DG sets also. So this is the newly launched product we have, and VRL is one of our customers who has availed these products. So people have not seen this kind of technology right now in the country, where in construction and construction segment, most of the businesses are run they run fuel with the help of these barrels and cans, where we can replace these barrels and cans and get these automated products into your system. Basically our customers say they save fuel up to 10% as compared to their traditional fueling method. This avoids any pilferages, and most importantly the entire fueling analytics, whether it is a logistics industry, whether it is the construction industry, the data is either on the logbooks or the Excel sheets. So that is not required. With a single click you will get everything on your dashboard. So basically we automate your complete fueling operations. Most importantly, Ratan Tata sir has invested in this product, and he's been a big mentor. He was a big mentor for our founders. Mr. Chetan Walunj and Aditi Walunj are our founders. We are a Maharashtra based company. Recently we have opened an office in Bangalore, and we are expanding very heavily, and we have a partnership with Tata Motors also. Hyderabad, we have a lot of products. We have close to a supply chain of around 100 plus Repos fuel stations, which can bring doorstep delivery of fuel to any bulk consumer. They just have to register on our app, order from the app. When you order, like you order food from Swiggy, you can see the restaurants. Similarly, when you want to order fuel, you will see all the Repos fuel stations working on our platform. You just go, click, put the quantity, and the fuel is delivered to you. Now when you want to store fuel, you have these diesel ATMs. So your entire ecosystem is fuel comes to your doorstep. It is in your diesel ATM, and you dispense your own fuel, and the entire analytics is on your platform.